What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube representing the birds. Before we start this video, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Mitch channel. Also, subscribe to the Birds of Broad Street YouTube channel with me, Simone, One Trey Rock, Smitty, and Notion Gang. Also, subscribe to the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel with me and MK Mitch Kowalski. And also, subscribe to the Y'all Still Them Boys YouTube channel where I deal with them straight rats, the Dallas Cowboys. So please, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Connor, Birds of Broad Street, Y'all Still Them Boys, and the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
Fly, Eagles, fly, on the road to make a race.
What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content career in the game. Your boy, Mr. CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube representing the Super Bowl champion Philadelphia Eagles. 87 days. 87 days away till kickoff of the 2025 NFL season, where the Philadelphia Eagles will drop a banner and wish Simone Staley an early happy birthday versus them disgusting, nauseating, get on my damn nerve
Dallas Cowboy trash.
Exactly. So, we do have some breaking news that don't involve the Eagles, but you never know with old Howie T. So, Jaire Alexander of the Green Bay Packers has been released. Right here. The Packers are releasing star cornerback Jaire Alexander today, sources say. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, CoolCat, what this guy do? What this guy do with the Eagles? What this guy do with the Eagles? It has everything to do with the Eagles, all because acknowledge me of that man, old Howie T. Howie T. What do I always tell y'all? When you least expect it, right? The Philadelphia Eagles is going to start mandatory minicamp tomorrow, and then they're going on a summer vacation until training camp, right? But when you least expect it, when you're chilling, relaxing, no Eagles news to report, when everything is quiet, oh Howie T, strikes. I told y'all that. And let's be real, because we talked about it on Birds of Broad Street. We talked about it on CoolCat-Mitch. We talked about it on Bliss Take. We do need a corner. Now, a lot of people will say, what about Kelly Ringo? What about Sidney Brown? What about these young corners? B.O.B.S and Cooper DeJong, I trust. Okay? I trust Cooper DeJong. I trust B.O.B.S. I trust them. They're my boys. But outside of those two in the cornerback position, you see what I'm saying? And we need a corner. Like, we do. I mean, you're going to go up against dogs. From week 1 to week 18. You're going to go up against dogs. And I believe Jaire Alexander is the right move. Now, will the Eagles do it? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. The money got to be right. Right? The money got to be right. But let's look quickly at Jaire Alexander's numbers as a whiny little crybaby Packer. Right? Hate saying that because he was on the other team, but now most people will say that he needs to be healthy, and I 1,000% agree with that. He needs to stay healthy. You're right, right? But he had an interception versus us. He had an interception versus the Tennessee Titans. The other games he didn't. But he did had 4 solo tackles, 4 solo tackles, 2 solo tackles, 4, 1, 3, 1, STOT, 4, 2, 5, 1, 3, 1. He didn't have no sacks. So he did put up some numbers. Right? He did put up some numbers. Fumble return. He had 1. He had 1 touchdown with the interception that was against the Tennessee Titans. So listen, Eagles Nation, I understand, but we need a corner. Like, again, will old Howie T do it? Anything's possible with that man. Anything is possible with that man. Anything is possible. But we do need a corner. We do need a corner. And I'm not saying that it'll happen. I mean, it's like, according to Jordan Schultz, the Packers and the Bills held trade this offseason centered around Jaire Alexander, but talks ultimately fell through and Buffalo moved on. It's unclear if the Bills will revisit things now that Alexander has been released, especially since they spent a first-round pick on a fake corner, Maxwell Harrison. But there were a team that showed real interest. It's up to Howie T to make a move. Will he stay healthy? I don't know. But hey, when you have old Howie T as your general manager, anything is possible. I'll see y'all later on for CoolCat-Mitch. Birds of Broad Street, still thinking of the word of the day. So stay tuned for the word of the day.